Go ahead and smack start on that thing.
When do I start them finish line, John?
Minute.
A minute before?
Yeah, minute before on Cyber. Come on, pick my fucking size, Hibbit. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Oh! Oh no. This is bad.
Waiting for restock. What?
This is bad. Oh, well, Hibbit's done.
What happened?
They only had like 380 pairs.
Yeah, this shit is bad, bro.
I picked up infant. Oh no.
Well, you picked up infant on what?
Oh no. Wait.
East Bay.
I hit on Jimmy Jazz. Hit one on Jimmy Jazz.
What
Fuck.
detailer loaded out of stock? Bro, what detailer
Wow.
are they flew? Oh, they had two on Jimmy Jazz. Okay.
Well, finish line's doing a lot.
Are you just getting an air session?
Kith flew.
No, I'm in queue.
They're flying everywhere. Oh my
Yeah,
god!
I got a couple
Yo,
pairs.
these flew. What?
I got a couple pairs.
Oh yeah.
I'm submitting order.
I think what I'm gonna do now, Dime, is I'm just gonna just have it, on a scheduler. Cause this is
Connection error complete.
Barry, have you picked up on finish line?
I have not, personally.
You checked out on what site to finish line?
Bodega.
Oh.
Has anyone picked up on
Oh
finish
shit!
line?
They didn't have.
Submitting order
nothing.
on
Let's go.
fucking
Wow,
third
they
eye
got the
for
blind for 4
Foot
pairs.
Locker.
So annoying.
Why the fuck does it say there's no proxy, you bitch?
Cooking on cold eye.
For what site?
JD just now.
So, what proxies are working for finish line? Because I'm not getting shit.
I'm getting
I'm
payment
picking up
declines.
blank.
Alright, this is
Leaf.
Alright, yeah, I'm done
Yes.
for this dude. It's fucking dead, bro. Okay, so I'm getting some checkouts. Let's go. Payment decline. Sorry, I'm getting checkouts on Cyber.
Wait, what's desktop or mobile?
I don't know. Regular. Yeah, regular.
Desktop, yeah.
Yeah.
They all checkouts.
Yeah, my shit's dinging like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Bling.
Da-ding.
I still can't.
Okay, so that's why I was
can't
getting.
pick
That's
up
why I was
price.
getting payment decline on the other one because that card got linked to whatever. That's cool. So, where's the status? Sort about that declines. These payment declines.
Ooh, we're running Vic. Dude, not happy.
What? What happened?
They said no foot sites, and somebody's running him.
Oh,
a
thank
foot
God,
site.
I got one on Nike.
Yeah, W.
Let's fucking go.
What else is
Taylor.
new, Tay?
Well,
Okay.
who's running this two foot sites?
That profile. What the fuck?
I'm dead.
Wait a second, who's running for him? Because I'm not running him on foot size. You're not. I'm guessing Trey's.
No, I'm not. I'm not even running for.
Samir. Watch.
Oh, the hell.
It's gonna be Samir.
No, Sam was like, let me run foot sides.
Okay.
He been trying to run foot sides.
I'm gonna run foot sides
That was probably
anyway.
Joe. You know, Joe over here fiending for foot sake.
Yeah, for sure. Emails are pouring in now. Just check out on finish line.
What the fuck?
I can't hit finish line for shit.
Close this.
Probably your proxies.
Regular. Yeah. Payment decline.
My shit just won't add to cart.
I should payment plan again. On finish line. And again.
So I'm trying to figure.
Adding the cart. All right, yeah. Now we got
And
movement.
again.
Yeah, now we got movement.
Hey, so
Oh, that's so annoying. Like when you click it, you still have to tick it and then hit the random and. Oh
just
my.
start screaming.
For him.
Same. Are you broke?
And he's like, my cards work.
I mean, that's it. I'm done running his ass.
Goofy dude. Goofy man.
You always be saying, man, I ain't getting declined, bro. I got it figured out. You jig your address. Wait, you didn't get it figured out, bro.
You jigged his address?
Yeah.
Why?
Infinite.
Why?
Ooh, yeah,
You put the 4-letter thing in the front.
Get him,
What?
get him, Trey. Get him, fucking Trey.
Yo, bro, I have.
Fog.
Fuck, bro.
Oh, hit another hit. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, yeah, I'm hitting a lot now. I'm hitting a lot now. Whoa.
You see how I ended up with so many now, Ethan?
Dude, I'm at like 20.
Yeah.
Oh, check
Finish
out-
line. I don't
Check out-
think. Oh, whoa, checkouts are
Damn,
pouring
what?
in.
Disregard that. We back
Bro,
to all
checkouts
these-
are pouring in
Leave
right
me
now.
alone, bro. Stop talking to me. Holy fuck.
I'm done with the names for a good while.
You smell
options.
red.
What?
Tell you.
Cause
bro.
Hibbit is all out of stock. But
They are?
I don't know.
Man,
Yo, this is crazy.
that L.
But I do like the fact that we don't have to stay here 5 hours.
yeah. But so I edit something on a task, but it never fucking saves the shit.